Welcome to my CyberTech-VB channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to make Google Chrome your default browser in Windows 10. Usually, when Windows 10 is installed on your computer, Microsoft Edge is installed as your default browser as well. And when you install Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge will still remain your default browser. In order to change the default browser to the Google Chrome, click on the Start button in the bottom left corner of your screen. Click on Settings, scroll down, click on Apps, and then on the left side of the screen, find Default Applications, Default Apps. Scroll down and you'll see Web Browser. Right now, Microsoft Edge is my default browser. Click on it and you'll see installed browsers on your computer. Select Google Chrome, click on it, and Google Chrome now is your default browser. And that's all. You're done. You just changed your default browser to Google Chrome. And that's all from me for today. I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like it, click on the subscribe and like buttons. Thank you for watching and have a nice and pleasant day.